Hi, this is Martin LaMonica with CNET News. I'm speaking with Stu Haber, who's the CEO of a company called IST Energy, which has a machine, which he's standing in front of, that converts trash to electricity. So, Stuart, can you just tell us basically what you've designed here, what you built here?
Absolutely. We've designed a waste-to-energy conversion system, and the system can handle a number of mixed wastes, including paper, plastics, food, agricultural waste, and wood. And what we do is we deposit those materials into our system at one end, at the front end. At the back end, we end up converting all of that to electricity and gas heat.
Okay, now do you need to sort out the trash so only certain kind of trash can go in?
Of the items I mentioned, the paper, plastics, wood, food, agricultural waste, it's mixed. That does not have to be separated out or sorted in any fashion. However, we don't want metals and glass to go into the system. Metals and glass have no energy content, and so while the system can handle it, all we'd end up with is an innocuous ash at the end if we were to put those materials through. So we prefer they not go into the system.
Okay, now this is a gasifier, which is different than burning.
Absolutely.
Now, is that cleaner than burning?
Well, actually, it's completely cleaner because with burning, with incineration, there are emissions. With our process, the downdraft gasifier, there are zero emissions. So the gem, which is everything in this ISO container, has zero emissions. The only emissions would be at the outer end when the customer decides what unit they want to use to actually generate that electricity and gas heat with our synthetic gas. If they use fuel cells, which could be available down the road, there would be probably zero emissions there. They could use a micro turbine, which would be very low emissions. But if they choose to use a generator, then there would be a little higher emissions, all within regulations.
So the gasifier makes the synthetic gas, and then that gas can be used in a fuel cell or a generator.
It could go through a boiler or a furnace, a generator, as I say, fuel cells, micro turbine, a number of options available. But everything in our gem is zero emissions. Okay.
So before you open it up and show us the pieces to it, so who do you expect to use this device?
Well, the market is huge. There's we're talking about focusing on hospitals, universities, arenas, stadiums, prisons, military, industrial plants. Really, any organization, any entity that generates at least 2 tons of waste per day.
Okay. So can you open it up?
Absolutely. Let's take a look. You need to know what you're doing there.
Okay. Great. So, so can you just describe the major pieces in this
Absolutely.
machine?
Right here we have the shredder. So the material is going at the top level. You can see a little bit of cardboard sticking out of the top there right now. All the waste goes through the shredder. It comes through this tunnel here, and in a form that's, I'll show you. Waste would end up looking like this in a shredded form. That shredded material will run into this layer drum, go through a number of processes for us to take the moisture out of the content, into the green pelletizer that we have there, ultimately into a storage bin, and into the back of the unit, which is the gasification.
Okay.
Outside the box, after our process with the gem is done, is when that synthetic gas will then be converted by, as we talked about earlier, a generator or a microturbine, etc. And that's outside the box, and that's what the customer's design.
So this is self-generated then?
It is self-generated. Once you get started, the entire process runs on its own. It no longer needs any electricity or any kind of power. It has its own power.
Okay. And then if someone were going to use this, can they literally just, they'd have to change the way they get rid of their waste, I guess. They'd have to put it into this machine once a day or several times a day?
Several times a day. However, what you don't see here is that there'll be a front loader. We're working on that design now, and our customers will receive as part of the gem a front loader. It will be an automatic, essentially a dumpster loading into the shredder, so that they will not have to manually feed it. They will only manually feed the dumpster, which really replaces the other dumpsters that they would have right now.
Okay.
So this will be extremely automatic, and it's the kind of thing where they wouldn't even need any additional labor involved.
Okay, great. Thanks.